here at YouTube. Here at YouTube, at the other facility. This one looks dope. This one looks hella dope. Man, I wonder if we get inside. Let's see if we get ourselves in trouble. Probably get kicked out. They're gonna cancel my channel. We'll see what's up. Man, I should have brought some YouTube cards. Perfect opportunity. Oh well. This looks hella nice. Oh, I don't think I'll be able to get inside. Looks like you might need a Prox card. Damn. Yep. Probably not gonna be able to get inside. Yep. Can't get inside. Damn. That sucks ass. But this is a dope ass view though. Oh, and it has stairs so you can walk down there. That is pretty sick. Well, that is too bad. I tried. Wonder what the other locations are for. I wonder why there's multiple locations. There's this location, the dope ass fancy building, and the other one, I bet you that's where they keep all the servers and shit. Man. Well, so much for the tour of YouTube. Let's get some footage over there. This is all part of the YouTube parking lot. Got security here and shit. All for the parking lot. This is their building right here. And the building across the street as well. This is all YouTube right here. This who pays me. Sheesh. It's pretty sick. That building too. Man. How do we get paid more? How do we get more viewers, more subscribers? I guess that would be the tour of YouTube. They didn't let me in. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Alright, I went home real quick and I picked up a bunch of cards. We back. I'm just kidding. I actually had to come back to San Francisco. So I figured I'd bring a stack with me this time. And we leave some everywhere. We'll leave some here. We'll leave some over there. We're gonna leave them everywhere for everybody to see and enjoy. Yeah, let's see if we don't get freaking kicked out of YouTube. Permanently. We're gonna leave some here at the table. It's just rain here in San Francisco too. And that's it. We're gonna take back off. I'm not gonna leave any more because I don't want them to be like, hey, you're loitering. You're littering. You're doing both. I see 2 more benches I had to hit, so I'm gonna hit that shit. Someone's walking up. What security? What's up, bro? That's YouTube security. It's fucking sick. Hey, is it cool if I leave my cards here, bro? Is it cool if I leave my cards here? Is it cool if I leave my cards here? I have a YouTube channel. And I'm sure you get a lot of fucking people like me coming by around here.
Oh,
I just dropped a couple here, a couple there.
oh, okay.
If it's cool with you. You can just pretend you didn't even see it.
No, it's fine. I'll take
Oh, hell yeah, bro. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. I got good shit. Fixing cars, cooking food, all kinds of good stuff. I'm hoping an executive picks it up and let me see, what can we do to blow this guy up?
Oh, what's your name?
George Lopez.
George Lopez?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, shit. All right, for sure.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Thank you. Fuck yeah. Just got a new subscriber. Sheesh. All right. Well, we got a long way back home. There's hella traffic and it's about to rain. So we're gonna get the fuck out of here. Sweet. As always, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. There goes that new subscriber right there. Hell yeah, boy.